Hey guys, it is AJ3450 and today we're going to be unboxing yet another weather radio. And this is a YouTube first weather radio. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and take this baby out. And I'm excited to get this thing out, so let's get this thing out. I have enough explaining to do. Man, I really need box cutters. I'm the only person who does this with scissors. Either way. Alright, dropped in some newspaper. And there is the radio. And my god, it is huge. Alrighty. This, ladies and gentlemen, well, first let me get it unwrapped. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the magnavox. Ooh, wait, it came with a rod. That's sweet. Magnavox AJ3450/17 or 3450. I think it was just 3450. But as you can see, it has weather band alert. So that is really cool. And so as you can see, it is very similar to, first, I'm gonna get all this packaging bullshit out of the way. Hold on. It is very similar to basically any other generic 90s clock radio, but it has a weather alert feature. And I'm sorry you're not being able to see the screen, because, you know. Anyway, so here is the front, here is the top, here is the side, here is the bottom, and I think this is, so, yeah, it's very similar to another radio that I have, the Optimus CR307, which is also another YouTube first, and also the First Alert WX37, TAC1, 12153, or, you know, TSC2, TSC3, and the First Alert WX37, and the GE Weather Alert, if I didn't already say that. But, who knows, this may have a different siren, and I'm very excited to turn this thing on. So, what are we doing? Let's turn it on. Holy cow, that is a huge clock. Alrighty, so there's the alarm. So it's got an FM AM switch right there. How do you turn up the volume? Right now it's set to high. That is not bright at all. Okay, that's sleep mode. That's some AM station. Okay, so now we have it switched to weather. Oh, I don't think you can test the siren. So let's go ahead. So right now it is on, I believe it is on alert standby. So I'm trying to find the button to make it shut up. Hold on, I think I have to just shut it off. Okay, well, god damn it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! He won't shut up. Okay, well, there's that. It's kind of annoying, the fact that I can't make it shut the fuck up. But there's the alert standby. Now let's try to set the weather channel. We're gonna set it to 7. Oh, it doesn't have a rod. It doesn't have a rod antenna. That's annoying. I don't like that. It only has a rod, or sorry, it doesn't have a rod. Yeah, it only has this line external antenna. It's kind of stupid, but whatever. So let's go ahead and how do I switch to weather band? Do you have to push this? Okay, well. It's on 3. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to find. Wait. This thing gets bad reception. This is terrible. This is gonna be a rare activator, but, as you heard, it got KC38, so that works. So, I guess we're gonna conclude the unboxing here. This is the YouTube first unboxing of the Magnavox AJ3450. And I believe Magnavox is branded by... I don't want to think about it. But... hold on. I just want to make sure. Okay, well, anyway, this is the unboxing of my, Magnavox AJ3450. Hope y'all had a great day. This is TBW563, and I'm signing off. Bye.